Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed speakers and distinguished guests, welcome to the second edition of the Making India Employable Conference and Awards, co-presented by India Education Forum and India Employer Forum in partnership with TeamLease EdTech and DigiVarsity. This year, the conference is designed around and dedicated to the core theme of the power of the ecosystem in making India employable. इस वर्ष एक रोजगार परक भारत के निर्माण के जो कर्ता धर्ता हैं, हम सुनेंगे उनका संवाद। हम मनाएंगे आज का दिन एक विजय दिवस के रूप में, जहां हम करेंगे उन सब का सम्मान जिन्होंने इस उद्देश्य की दिशा में एक ठोस कदम उठाया है। हार्दिक अभिवादन, अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत स्वागत। It is a privilege to stand before you as one of the organizers of this remarkable gathering. I am filled with immense pride while we witness the convergence of brilliant minds and leaders who are committed to shaping the future of employability in our great country that we proudly call India, Bharat. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. This beautiful Sanskrit verse meaning, may all beings be happy, may all be free from disease, embodies the spirit of collective progress and well-being. As we gather at this conference, we stand at the crossroads of opportunity and responsibility. No single person or organization can solve this massive challenge. It requires the combined strength of an entire ecosystem. Academia alone cannot bridge the skills gap, nor can industry. Government or philanthropists act in isolation. Together, we will need to unite our resources, expertise, and efforts to create a collaborative framework. Our collective strength will be the catalyst for transformation, paving the way for a future where every individual, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to thrive. Today's conference is the harbinger of a tomorrow where employability is not just a goal, but a shared reality for all. As we celebrate the second edition of this transformative event, we also recognize and honor the trailblazers who have taken concrete steps towards making India employable. The Making India Employable Conference and Awards is a salute to their vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment to our nation's progress. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Your enthusiasm and participation fuel our drive to effect real change. Let us, as a collective force, work towards the Bharat we envision, a nation where education isn't just a pathway, but a launchpad to success. Thank you, and let's embark on this inspiring journey of making India truly, truly employable.